Ito po yung DTF machine namin dito sa Tuguegarao na nagamit ng 6 na araw na may 41 total meters. Ito po yung printer head. Ito naman yung capping. Head clean. Nozzle check. Punasan ang wiper and capping after nozzle check and head clean. Ito naman po yung ink tank area. Ang ink system namin is tama lang. Ito naman yung waste tank na nalinis nung Friday. AVR na may 220 volt and ground wire. Andito naman yung stock namin ng used ink, unused ink, DTF film, and DTF powder. Ito naman ang records na nagamit sa Cyan, magenta, yellow, black, powder, and white. Ito naman yung daily output and daily checklist. Yun lamang po.